Hello, how are you?
Hello. I am fine today, and I feel very happy to talk with you.
How is your day?
My day is going well, and I am enjoying my time so far.
How do you feel today?
I feel good today because everything is going smoothly.
What do you say in the morning?
In the morning, I say good morning to everyone politely.
Do you greet people every day?
Yes, I greet people every day because it is polite and friendly.
How do you greet your friends?
I greet my friends with a smile and say hello in a friendly way.
How do you greet your teacher?
I greet my teacher respectfully and say good morning or good afternoon.
Do you greet your family?
Yes, I greet my family every morning and ask how they are.
What do you say in the evening?
In the evening, I say good evening when I meet someone politely.
What do you say at night?
At night, I say good night when I leave or go to sleep.
Do you shake hands?
Yes, I sometimes shake hands when I meet someone for the first time.
Do you smile when greeting?
Yes, I always smile because it makes my greeting warm and friendly.
Do you say hello on the phone?
Yes, I say hello when I answer a phone call politely.
How do you greet strangers?
I greet strangers politely and speak in a respectful manner.
How do you greet strangers?
I greet strangers politely and speak in a respectful manner.
Do you use formal greetings?
Yes, I use formal greetings when I talk to elders or important people.
Do you use informal greetings?
Yes, I use informal greetings when I talk to friends and close people.
What is a common greeting?
A common greeting is saying hello or hi in a friendly tone.
Do you greet people at work?
Yes, I greet my coworkers every morning when I arrive at work.
What do you say when you meet someone first time?
I say hello and introduce myself politely when I meet someone new.
Do you say nice to meet you?
Yes, I say nice to meet you when I meet someone for the first time.
Do you greet people with respect?
Yes, I always greet people respectfully to show good manners.
Do you greet your neighbors?
Yes, I greet my neighbors when I see them outside my house.
Do you say goodbye?
Yes, I say goodbye when I leave after meeting someone.
What do you say before leaving?
Before leaving, I say goodbye and wish them a good day.
Do you say see you later?
Yes, I say see you later when I plan to meet again.
Do you greet with gestures?
Yes, I sometimes wave my hand or nod my head while greeting.
Do you greet politely?
Yes, I always greet politely because it shows respect and kindness.
Do you greet with eye contact?
Yes, I make eye contact because it shows confidence and honesty.
Do you greet in a loud voice?
No, I speak clearly but not too loudly when greeting others.
Do you enjoy greeting people?
Yes, I enjoy greeting people because it creates a friendly environment.
Why are greetings important?
Greetings are important because they show respect and start communication positively.
Do you greet every person you meet?
Yes, I try to greet everyone politely when I meet them.
Do you greet your boss?
Yes, I greet my boss respectfully every morning at work.
Do you greet children?
Yes, I greet children kindly to make them feel comfortable and happy.
Do you greet in English daily?
Yes, I try to greet in English daily to improve my speaking skills.
Do you feel confident greeting others?
Yes, I feel confident because greeting is simple and easy to learn.
Do you practice greetings?
Yes, I practice greetings to improve my communication skills.
What is your favorite greeting?
My favorite greeting is hello because it is simple and friendly.
Do you greet with energy?
Yes, I greet with energy to make others feel positive.
Do you greet people with respect always?
Yes, I always greet people with respect because it shows good character.